Yeah, let me just click on my invoices. I have already withdrawn like 300 to 400 euros from this website. And hello guys, this is Hadi from Hadi Tech, back with another video. I'm terribly sorry for the late uploads. I have not uploaded to the channel in like a month or so. I had some stuff going on, but we are back and better, trust me. In today's video, we'll be talking about one of the greatest websites that every beginner or like every starter in the whole working online or freelancing journey should start with or like work on. And this website is called Clickworker, and you guys can earn up to $500 monthly. And trust me, I will show you the receipts later on. It is legit and anybody can work on it. But before we jump into this video and start explaining this website, please like this video and share it with your friends, and do me a favor and subscribe to the channel. That will help us immensely to grow, and so we not also miss on our video that we upload. So if you did that, then I truly appreciate you. So before we jump in and start explaining Clickworker, what is actually this website? Clickworker specializes in AI training. So you and I and the people that work on this website are called judges. We are judges. We are provided with tasks, and we need to do those tasks. And Clickworker uses those tasks or data that we input to help facilitate and develop AI. That's like the whole premise of this website. So I hope you got the general idea. What you need to do is just very simple. I'm gonna leave the link in the description down below. Click on it and it will take you to this page. Then come up here and click earn money as a click worker, just like this, and click on the sign up. Just follow along. It's just very easy. Fill in these details: gender, the title or the occupation or whatever degree that you have in here, first name, last name, middle name, and the email, password, and confirm your password. Just simple stuff. Fill in the details and confirm your account, then you are ready to go. I will just log in into my account and show you how you can work on this website. I am back at my dashboard, and I will just start by showing you some receipts and some earnings on this website. As you can see, I have 132 euros already in my balance, and if I click on my balance, or excuse me, if I go to my invoices, where is invoices? Yeah, let me just click on my invoices. I have already withdrawn like 300 to 400 euros from this website, and like I've told you guys, this website is legit and it pays you via PayPal, Pioneer, and they even like have wire transfer for banks. So like I said, this is as legit as it can be. Like the website is literally legit. So let's just go back to the main menu or the jobs. Then we'll take a look at the jobs that we have here. First and foremost, there are like two parts of Clickworker that we need to address. The first part is actually a partner program that is called URSS. I have a whole course about this, but it isn't actually in Arabic, but I'm making one in English, but we'll talk about that later. And this is where the high pay tasks comes from. So we'll talk about later. What we have here, we have the tasks that you can do on Clickworker itself, and they are super easy. Like you can do them just via your phone, your laptop, and you can do that from the comfort of your home. So for example, right here, you have to take a video, ask your parent or grandparent to help you train authenticator apps. So what you need to do is just very simple. Go up to your granddad, grandparent, whatever, and you just take a selfie, a video selfie of them, just like a 30 seconds video, and you will just receive 3 euros plus bonuses. That's just how easy it can get. Like literally you can do such little tasks and earn up high money from it. You have here the next task, app assistant, assistance with authenticator, also application training, capture ID address. So what you need to do is just upload your ID. Once you do upload your ID, you will get paid. What we have here, we have also another assistant authenticator application, and you have to, if you are in the brackets of 21 to 24 years old, you can also work on this task. Let's just go to something else. For example, you have a survey. This depends on your location. Obviously, people from the US, Canada, UK have high surveys. You can work on surveys and you can earn up to like $20 to $30 just from surveys. And they have also partnered with CPX, one of the largest survey providers, and you can guys just click in and take surveys when they are available. And trust me, there are a lot of them. Just over here, we don't have as much, but you guys, I assure you, you will have lots of tasks to do. That's just from surveys. And you have also right here some other tasks that you can do. For example, you need to check in your language. If you speak another language, if you are bilingual, for example, you need to take another task and you will get paid for that. You can take a photo of your baby if you are like a parent or something. You can take a video of that or like a picture of that. You also can upload here 3 more videos and earn from that, like 150 here, €1 here, 2 here, 150. And like I said, you can also work on surveys right here. And yeah, there's like such daily tasks that get updated on regular basis. So what you need to do is just log in on a daily basis. If you finish a task, log in on a daily, then it will give you another task to do. So for example, let me just click on this and break down like the whole thing, how to work on tasks. Just click, for example, if you selected a task, just click start now. And it will give you the whole thing that you need to do. Like it will give you the steps that you need to do in order to finish the task. And you have here the timer, which is set to 8 hours. You can do this task in 8 hours, so you have plenty of time to do it. And yeah, just follow along. You have to download an app, or excuse me, follow this link. Then start with the whole face recognition process. And just in here for this task, what you need to do once you finish, not when you finish, when you are doing the task, just like it's highlighted in here, copy your ID, then submit it in the link provided in here, then come back and submit the code, the final code that you get after completing the task. So you have the whole steps broken down, excuse me, to you in this category. Also, there is a referral program that you can work on, which is great as well. You can earn up to €10 per invite if your friend makes €5 on this app. So if you share your link with somebody else and that person earns up to €5 only, so if he if he works on a task, excuse me, or 2 and earns to like €5, you will get paid €10 extra. And it's a great thing that you guys can work on it as well. So what you need to do, just click on link, and this will be your referral link, guys. As for the last thing that I'm going to speak on, like I said, just come here to payment details and update your payment details. You can receive your money via PayPal, Pioneer, and other payment methods. And finally, I will be breaking down the whole Yours app thing. Like I said, I have a course, but it is in Arabic, and I'm planning to make one in English. And trust me, it is one of the greatest sides income that everybody can work on, especially people from top tier 1 countries, USA, Canada, the UK, etc. Like you can earn up to $1,000 to $2,000 just from your shares itself, on top of the tasks that you have in here. Then you are looking at a whole side income. So yeah, this is it for today's video. If you liked and enjoyed this video, please drop a like, comment down below if you had any issues. I will be glad to answer them or answer your questions. And yeah, please follow along, and thank you for listening. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Peace.